Have you ever looked at the chart and felt overwhelmed by all the noise? Today I'm going to show you the one pattern that I come back to every single time. Hey guys, welcome. I'm Rory and this is the first video in a 5-part series where I'm going to break down candle range theory, CRT, from the ground up. By the end of this series, you will have a complete strategy you can apply to Forex and crypto. I'm starting with the foundation, the 3-candle pattern. Everything else we cover builds from this. What is the 3-candle pattern? CRT is built around reading price in groups of 3 candles. Each group tells a story, and that story repeats itself across every time frame, every pair, and every market. So, candle 1 is the range. We draw out the high of the candle, we draw out the low of that candle. Candle 1 is your range. Candle 2 is the manipulation candle, and this candle is taking all the buy side liquidity up here and the candle setting back with inside the range. This is a confirmation of the CRT pattern. And candle 3 is the distribution. So basically we have the range, we have the manipulation of that range, and then in the 3rd candle you get the distribution to carry to the low of that range. Why this works? Well, the pattern plays out because of how the market hunts liquidity. Stop losses and pending orders that are sitting above swing highs and below swing lows. Once those orders are collected on candle 2, the real move begins on candle 3. We'll go much deeper into the liquidity side in the next video, but it's important to note that this pattern happens everywhere. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com, a signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. So for example, right here, this red bearish candle, candle 1 creates a range. Candle 2, right here, this bullish candle, manipulated the range, set back in, manipulation is confirmed. And candle 3, right here, is your distribution candle, which then pushes on to the other side of candle 1's range. So again, that process is so perfectly played out. Candle 1 the range, candle 2 the manipulation, candle 3 the distribution. Now these patterns are absolutely everywhere, but it is important to bring in the other concepts as well, which is why in the next video I'll be going over the liquidity concepts, which will tell you the best areas to trade this pattern. Here is another example, candle 1 being the range, candle 2, that is your manipulation candle, price came up, set back inside with the body to confirm the manipulation. Candle 3 is then the distribution candle, and you can see it finished off in candle 4 to the other side of candle 1's range low. These patterns are everywhere and on every time frame, and paired with the right concepts, it's a killer strategy. Now, before I start looking for patterns, the first thing I do is get a clean view of the charts. And that's where PU Prime's platform genuinely helps. I use PU Prime's web trader and their mobile app. The charting is clean, it's fast, and doesn't clutter up the screen when I'm trying to read structure. That matters more than people think. A messy platform makes it harder to see what's actually happening on the chart. If you're brand new to this, PU Prime has a free demo account. Same live market conditions, no risk. That's where I tell anyone to start. You get the 3 candle pattern so familiar you can spot it immediately before you even think about going live. And you've also got access to Forex, you've got access to gold, you've got crypto, indices. They're all in one place, so you can practice across different markets from the start. The link is in the description, so open the demo, load up the chart, and start looking for these 3 candle sequences. For those crypto lovers, I'm going to show you an example on Bitcoin. So just this morning on the 1 hour chart, there was a CRT pattern on Bitcoin. There is your range high, there is your range low, here is your manipulation candle, and here is your distribution candle. So as you can see, this pattern is absolutely everywhere, even on cryptocurrency. So for those who invest in crypto, choosing the CRT route can even give you a strong narrative on crypto. It can give you a strong narrative on Forex. It's just a 3 candle pattern that can give you a fantastic overview of the markets. And like I said, in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be showing you the really high probability areas to trade this 3 candle pattern. That's a 3 candle pattern. Setup, manipulation, delivery. Simple in theory, genuinely powerful once you start seeing it everywhere. In video 2, I'm going deeper into liquidity, specifically ERL and IRL, and why understanding where price is drawn to changes everything about how you read a chart. Subscribe so you don't miss it. PU Prime link is below. See you in the next one.